this was my fun stuff of the weekend, and I'm trying to learn more about Node.js. I'm working with Java, but to my freelances, I need to work with a language that's more flexible to achieve the results that I need to my clients, not only to my clients, but uh, I think that's a good way to make some money. And I'm using PHP right now, but this just out of curiosity, I'm learning Node.js. It's only by to learn another language and create another thing with using another concepts. And I already work with JavaScript, but was a fun stuff to create. And I see this article about how to create a simple AI bot, and I think with myself like, okay, just take a couple hours to create one, maybe a couple minutes, and I discovered that I can do in a couple hours, not a couple minutes. But in the time that I'm reading the article, I came with a barrier that the company that was giving the SimpleBot API wasn't available anymore. So the Google acquired the company, and I need to trans to change the AI bot to this to the Google one. So it's a lot more complicated than was uh, on the article. So I need to figure it out by myself, read the documentation. But was okay. I just take a couple minutes to learn about how to use, how I get the keys and everything. After that, I just go and set up the bot, and I created this. Uh, so I just use JavaScript to create everything, just to connect everything. The things that I'm use the wasn't the package that I use was Express, HTTP, IO, Socket IO, and the dialogflow and the UUID here to serialization. But this is through the server and to the requests to create a server, and Socket IO to receive and to deliver the requests and responses. The dialogflow, the AI bot, properly said, and this for the serialization of the requests. But I will not show everything in the code, but I will show you the program that's easier. And hey, how you doing?
Good day. What can I do for you today?
Hey, how you doing?
Greetings. How can I assist?
Uh, if you will see right now, that's an error that I don't. I don't. This is just something fun that I do for the weekend. When you ask some more complex questions, the bot doesn't answer. Can you explain me more about JavaScript?
I missed that. Say that again.
Can you explain me how to use Java?
I didn't get that. Can you say it again?
It's just a bot that you set up the responses that he will give. So this is something that you can set up for a e-commerce to train more with your responses, with your entries, and they will learn more when you came talking with his with her using by the time that you are using the bot. But that was my project. I just want to share it, and explain a little of the project. But that was it of the project that I create for the weekend. I expect I will not uh I will not go for it anymore. I will not change anything here. It's just a project to have fun and learn. My main focus is to use JavaScript and Java, and this was just something that I was just learning Node to achieve some specific things to my clients, and this is just a fun thing to do on the weekend. But that was it until the next project.